fucking asshole, you're out.
That's the picture I got.
God damn it, fuck the both of you.
Oh, watch the table, guys.
I got a fucking spoon and I'm not afraid to use it.
Look at that shit, man.
What are you gonna do with the spoon?
Fucking spoon you.
When's the wedding?
Liam,
Says yeah, sure.
you better not spoon him. He might like it.
You like if you scoop out his asshole, you. Right, Carrie?
Guess we should start listening to some Finger Eleven songs.
Be careful.
I know like 4.
Right.
I know one.
Remember the other night, the rim job and the money shot?
Yeah. Not even.
I'm not taking a picture.
Hey, Rachel.
I'm not taking a picture.
What's space talking?
Hey, what's a rim job?
What's space talking?
Money shot.
I'm totally getting all this on video.
You like me a long time.
I just got that on video.
Cool. Put that shit on YouTube for I give a fuck. Hey, you like me a long time. It's on video, so it's me that's getting embarrassed in the end. But I can't be embarrassed, so that's okay.
I've been taking a video for the last 10 minutes.
Rachel, you're awesome. You're a good team player.
Ah, I'm gonna break my camera.
I respect you for that.
Get out of my face.
I'm paparazzi. I could be paparazzi.
Maybe one could be paparazzi.
Not
Just
even.
somebody walking
I'm pretty much accompanying your foot every time I do that, by the way. Hey, baby.
How you doing, that big boy? You want some cake?
We skipped that. You want some sausage?
I want some fucking cake.
Have cake here.
How about some whipped topping?
cake.
Huh?
You put whipped topping on pie, you fucking
Brownie
idiot.
and a pie. Get
You
the
are a
brownie.
horrible gay.
Get the brownie.
Horrible.
Get the
Horrible.
brownie.
No, it's sad. He's smart to be gay.
Get the brownie, my
Where
man.
the fuck
I
am
said
I in
Mike.
the middle?
Because you're the
Ryan,
monkey.
tickle Liam. Ryan, tickle Liam.
Oh, fucking.
Ryan.
I like getting him. He's your fucking lover, not mine.
Come on, Carrie.
He spends over for me on a regular basis.
Tickle Liam.
I didn't do that, bro. Oh. Fucker.
Fuck him!
Give me your money.
Fuck away from me!
Give me your money.
No!
Not yet, it isn't. Come here, you want to play that game? Come here, hold on. I like my cock being sucked.
Your Kung Fu no match for my Tai Chi!
I'm gonna put just that part on Facebook. I like
yeah,
my
baby, yeah, baby, yeah. Got my hat back now.
I'm done being raped.